So you got the adapter on now?
Adapter's on. It's not leaking. The exhaust is good, and there's no water leaks so far.
Dad's busy putting in the seats. He's got them both installed. I'm busy cleaning. I think about half of every cigarette that was ever smoked in this vehicle is coming off. Good thing we got good cleaning supplies, so hope to have it rolling out of the shop here clean and for a test run soon. Giving it a scrub on the outside here, but with this industrial strength glass cleaner. And I just sprayed it on the windows and it's running down, and that's how filthy it is. So what I thought was going to be a quick 15-minute clean is probably going to be the rest of the afternoon. So Dad's got a pail of scrub water here. We're just washing all the dirt and muck and dust and everything like that down. Okay. Motor running. Cleaned. Washed a little bit here, inside and out. Started. What are we gonna do, Dad?
We're gonna take it outside, take it for a spin, give it a little test run, and bring it back in.
Okay, so
It's 4 o'clock already.
4 o'clock. This is why our video is late. So Dad likes clean equipment, and so we spent a couple hours. Well, he spent about an hour installing the seats, and we scrubbed the Bombardier down and cleaned the windows. And yeah, we're gonna have to see what's going on here. Okay, getting it in. First time it's rolled out of the shop in over a month. Okay, test run in the 1966 wide gauge Bombardier. Guys just pulled it out of the shop, and he's going to take a quick.
So damn high now.
Yeah, we got a lot of snow here. Let her warm up. About a 3-foot high snowbank, and we're at about 2.5 feet of snow right now. It's all fresh snow. Taking it down to the Saskatchewan good. Dad's gonna do a run around the yard so we can see it from a different angle. She tackled that 3 feet high snowbank pretty good. And when we're on the river, maybe you didn't see just how deep the snow was. Brakes are good. Well, it's the first test run. We're gonna pull back into the shop. Dad wants to check to see if there's any leaks. And that'll be that. Full of snow, the way it's meant to be. And just got back into the shop here with Dad after going around the yard and down Saskatchewan River a bit and then turning around. Preliminary test run, it seems to be going well. Dad doesn't see any leaks.
Doesn't appear to be any leaks anywhere.
That's a good thing.
So I'll double check it. I'll put the air breather back on because we run it without the air breather.
Yeah, I saw that.
But it's good on power and everything.
Okay. So, good day. Any tip of the day today?
Well, the tip of the day, if you're going to start working on a winter road and you don't know too much about it, the first piece of machinery you buy is an ice auger.
Yeah.
And then what you do, you don't drill a hole right through the ice. You go down a foot and look at the ice.
Yeah.
See how much is white, if there's slush in between or whatever. Because the good ice is at the bottom.
Yeah.
And if there's only 5 or 6 inches, that's all you got. The rest is camouflage.
Yeah, okay, there you go. We're having a wet at the end of the day.
4:30 at Miller time.
Yeah, well, Bacardi time for sure. So, as bombardiers go, how was it to work on this one? Average?
Well,
Below average?
This
Above
was
average?
as much work as starting off fresh.
Yeah.
And we can only do so much because there's only a certain amount of money for it. There's other stuff has to be done yet, and then it's complete.
So, but you're feeling fairly confident handing this over to the client right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He can go fishing until the end of the season.
So they, again, difference between recreational and work bombardier. You feel pretty confident that they're going to be able to take this to work and not have major issues out in the ice. So now you tested it like that 3 foot high snowbank. It was a really good test.
You're not supposed to climb over them because you can get high centered and get stuck.
Yeah.
Or you can break a bogey. But in this case, we wanted to test it on the river run.
Yeah.
So we have to cross it.
Yeah.
But it's not recommended to go over a snowbank like that. It's very hard on the bogies or get stuck.
Okay. Going up and down the river, was that like you felt pretty confident? Felt good to you?
That's normal. That's why I pulled off the trail to see how well it pulls in the deep snow.
Yeah. And that deep snow, I saw, foot and a half, 2 feet? Like, just how it was...
Well, a bombardier, when they're brand new, has 13.5 inches of clearance.
Yeah.
So if you got 18 inches of snow, you're dragging the belly pan and packing about 4 inches of snow.
Okay.
And if you don't have a little bit of speed up, you'll hang up and spin the tracks, and then you're shoveling.
Okay. So, but... Brakes look good, handled pretty well. Like you weren't trying to break world speed records there, but How do you figure like the speed was getting up on the river?
Well, this engine is not exactly brand new.
Yeah.
It runs good and everything.
1965 to present, so do the math on that.
1965 318.
Yeah.
So if you drive the snot out of it and don't check oil and the rad, you'll blow it up.
Yeah. So.
Then you put a $7,000 engine in and you drive it too hard and you'll blow it up.
Yeah. But you're
temperature
you're
gauge.
feeling pretty good after a month though. For
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, everything's good.
Good. So
I might go to Herb Lake, as truckers are having problems with the winter roads up there,
yeah.
because whoever is maintaining the road is pulling some tires behind a half ton, and
Yeah.
you can't pack snow with tires behind a half ton.
Yeah.
The best thing to do is take the snow right off, drag it with something heavy like a set of D8 chains, and then as the road pounds out, bring a little snow in, drag it again, and you'll wind up with a winter road that you're going 30 miles an hour.
Good. All right. So anybody wants to get into the shop, we got one coming in here soon, but
No,
there's a.
No. We're gonna do the next one, then I'm gonna take a break.
Oh, okay. Well, so but Dad might take a few days off here between pulling in the next one. But if you do want a spot in the shop, it's coming up soon. Okay. So Dad's gonna have his wet here. We're gonna go home, and that's that.
Call her a day.
Call her a day.